This lesson we are going to see to find the quadratic equation with the 3 points are given. Okay, quadratic equation 3 points are given. How to do it? First quadratic equation is what? Ax squared plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation. Now there are 3 points. What is minus 2? Minus 2 is x. 4 is x coordinate. 8 is x coordinate. So we are going to substitute minus 2, 4 and 8 in place of x. Okay, so a minus 2 whole square plus b minus 2 plus c is equal to what? When you are substituting x values in the quadratic equation, this is the y value. Y value is what? 2. For minus 2, it is 2. Okay. Now, we are going to substitute x coordinate. First, I will expand it. What is this? 4a minus 2 square is 4. 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 2. One equation we formed. Okay. Now, second, in place of x, we are going to substitute 4. A 4 square plus b 4 plus c is equal to what? Minus 4. 4 we substitute for in place of x, minus 4 is y. Always ax squared plus bx plus c is f of x or y. That value is y value. Many students get confused. What is this? This is y value. Okay. This is y. The total is y. This is x. Got it? This ax squared plus bx plus c is y value. X is x value. Simple. Okay. Now 8 and 12. First I expand 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to minus 4. Okay. 8 squared 64a plus 8b plus c is equal to what? 12. So we framed 3 equations. One, 2, 3. Okay, copy down. Each point, the first point is x coordinate, second point is y coordinate. In place of ax squared plus bx plus c, in this equation, in place of x, we are going to substitute x coordinate value. This is equal to the corresponding y coordinate value we are putting. Okay. Okay. Now we have to solve it. How to solve it? 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 2. Here see only one c, here also only one c. We can solve. There are 3 equations, there are 3 variables. Variables are a, b, c. There are 3 equations. So we can solve it. Okay, now the simple way we are eliminating. Most of the students are get confused with I have to multiply with minus 2 to make it 4b, 4b to cancel. No. Here very simple, because we are habituated to eliminate x and y, we are equating. Here we no need to do it. Please understand, because already c is there. C, 1c only. We can simply eliminate. Okay. So 16a minus, I am doing 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1 is what? 16a minus 4a is what? 12a. 4b minus minus 2b, 6b. Understand or not? 4b plus c minus c, 0. Minus 4 minus 2, it will be minus 6. Okay, got it? 16a minus 4a is 12a. 4b minus minus 2b is 6b. C minus c, 0. One variable we eliminated. Okay. Now minus 4 minus 2 is 6. You can simplify this equation because all are divisible by 6. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. This is equation 4. Got it? Now in the same way, now how many unknown variable? A and b. Okay, so we need two equations. If you want to solve any variable, if it is one variable, if one equation is sufficient. If it is two variable, two equation is sufficient. If it is three variable, three equation is sufficient. Now we had three ABC unknown variable. We had three equations we are solving. First, instead of solving, we are eliminating one by one. By the elimination method we are doing. Now equation 3 minus 2. 64a minus 16a. 64 minus 16a is 48a. 48a. 8b minus 4b. 4b. C minus c cancel. 12 minus minus 4 is equal to 16. Here also you can simplify further. How we can simplify? Divide by 4. 12a plus b is equal to 4. Now we had two equations. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. 12a plus b is equal to 4. How many unknown variables are a and b? So we can solve it. Now again elimination method. Equation 5 minus 4. What will come? 12a minus 2a, 10a. b minus b is 0. 4 minus minus 1 is 5. So a is equal to 5 over 10. A is equal to 1 over 2. Got it? Copy down until now. So a is equal to 1 over 2 means you substitute here 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 1 by 2 means 2 times 1 by 2 plus b is equal to minus 1. Cancel, cancel. 1 plus b is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1 minus 1. B is equal to minus 2. Got it? So a is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now substitute here. 4a minus 2b plus c. What is a? 4 times of minus 2. B is minus 2 plus c is equal to 2. So 2 plus 4 plus c is equal to 2. 4 times of is 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4 plus c. 6 plus c equal to 2. C is equal to minus 4. Okay. C is equal to minus 4. We got it. Now what is our equation? Ax squared. Write it down until now. What is our equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c. A is of x squared. What is b? B is minus 2, minus 2x. What is c? C is minus 4. Okay. This equation f of x is, this function is passing through these 3 points. You can substitute and you can find out whether you did it right. Okay, take any one point or all the points. Okay, I am taking 4 comma minus 4. I am checking. In place of x, I am going to substitute 4. Then minus 4 has to come. 4 square is 16. Minus 2 times 4. Minus 4. 8. Minus 8. Minus 4. So minus 4. We got the y value minus 4. If we substitute any other point also, it will match. They have given 3 points. Each point inside, first is x coordinate, second is y coordinate. So you substitute x coordinate in ax squared plus bx plus c in place of x. You substitute x coordinate in place of x in the in ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to what? First point y coordinate. So you will get equation number 1. Then the same way with the point 2, get equation 2. Then with the same way with the point 3, x coordinate and y coordinate, you will get the equation 3. Ax squared plus bx plus c. C is always constant. C as doesn't have any x. So all the equation 1 to 3 will have only plus c value. So not 1c, 2c, only plus c value only. So you can easily do 2 minus 1 or 3 minus 1 or 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. In any ways you can eliminate, subtract one equation from another. You can eliminate, c will go. Then what will be there? A and b only will be there. Like that you do 2 combinations. So for example, I did for 2 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. So now you will get only with a and b 2 equation. Then you can solve in the normal way simultaneous equation. Then you will eliminate either a or b and you will get b, and then substitute in equation 4 and 5, 4 or 5, you will get a values and b value. Then a value, b value, you substitute in equation 1 or 2 or 3. So you will get the c value. That's all. Then ax squared plus bx plus c, in place of a and b and c, put the respective values of a and a, b, c. You will get the quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. See you. Write the equations.